Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Jay Ville, CEO of INC Tutoring. Tonight, I'm going to do multiplying and dividing rational expressions for you. Do some problems, kind of give you an idea of what it is, and move forward with that. I'm glad to be here. Glad to share the information with you guys. Great knowledge that we're going to share with y'all. So we've been getting a lot of great feedback on these videos and things that we're doing to help you guys out there in the world and academics, and in mathematics. So listen carefully and take notes as we go. All right, let's see what we got. So tonight, rational expression. So what is a rational expression, you may ask, right? Take the root word ratio. Now, what does ratio mean? So we have a top part. For example, if you're going to divide 5 over 10, that is a fraction. It's a ratio of some sort. And the minimal part of it, 5 over 10, reduces to 1/2, right? Because of the common factor of 5. So having a rational expression, okay, just means that you have one expression that's a polynomial over another expression that's a polynomial. That's all it means. We're going to multiply and divide them. So ratio, root word, is like a fraction, okay? Top over bottom, all right? That's the first concept. Now, moving from that, the next thing is, excuse me, actually showing you an example of how this works. So, let's take x squared on this side. Let's take x squared minus 4x plus 3 over x squared minus 6x plus 5. All right, now, truth be told, in order to do this problem and reduce it to the most irreducible terms, meaning that you cannot factor it any more than it's already factored, we're going to have to factor the numerator, which is x squared minus 4x plus 3, and the denominator, which is x squared minus 6x plus 5. So, how are we going to do this? Some of you guys out there may like the box method to factor. Some of you can just do it innately. And so I'm going to do it innately. Here we go. So the factors of one right here are 1 and 1. Factors of 3 are what? 1 and 3. All right? Now, the goal is to multiply and add or subtract in order for us to get the middle term. The middle term, as you see here, is minus 4x. So, you're asking yourself, Jay, how are we going to get there? I got you. Here we go. So, we have x. We have 3 times 1 is 3. Then we got 1 times 1, which is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, I'm going to do my binomials, my setups. I know I got to have an x squared in the front. So what's going to be my front part? Here and here. Well, my x's, right? Not the x's in the relationship, all right? X's in the alphabet. So here we go. We write the x's down, okay? And now we have a minus and a plus. When we have a setup in a trinomial like this, in a minus and a plus fashion, we have to put negatives in both of the binomial setups, okay? So the negative and negative is positive, right? Perfect. So now, we hit this at 1, we fill in the blanks at 1 and 3. Excuse me, so if we do this and multiply it and FOIL, using the FOIL method, we would have x squared, right, which is our f, minus 3x, which is our outside, minus x, which is our inside, and then negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3, which is our last term, okay? So, that is the FOIL portion of the FOIL method. Let me erase that so that way the problem is more clear to you. I just wanted to demonstrate this so you understand how to orchestrate the FOIL method in a rational expression, okay? So here we go. Let me go ahead and do this. Erase that. All right, and redo my setup. So here we go. X minus 1 and x minus 3. There you have it. Now that you know that, and some of y'all may want to pause the video here if you're taking notes to kind of sink in what you just learned in the numerator. Now, this part right here, x squared minus 6x plus 5, what we're going to do here is find the common, or not the common factors, but we're going to find the factors of x squared, and the coefficient is 1, which is, coefficient is what? The number in front of the variable. Perfect. Now, factors of 1, of course, are 1 and 1. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. What is 5 times 1? 5. What is 1 times 1? 1. So, 5 plus 1 is what? 6. Right? So, we got that. Circle my 5 and my 1. We know it's 5. 1 and 1. We know it's 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6, so we know we can get 6. We need negative 6x in the middle. So now I'm going to do my second setup. Let's see if this works. So, we have a minus and a plus again. We want our setup here. We want our x's here. We want our minuses here. And then we put our 1 and a 5 to complete our binomial set. Okay? Perfect. Please tell me, while you're sitting there taking good notes, okay, what factors can we cancel out that are common on the numerator and the denominator here? I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to think about that. To me, it looks like x minus 1 is the same on the top and the bottom, upstairs and downstairs. All right? We cancel that out. What is left? Our final answer is going to be x minus 3 over x minus 5. This, my friends, is irreducible terms. Your answer is complete. This is how you do rational expressions on the division side. We will do another example in a second.